CapCut versus After Effects. Which one is better? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see which one is better. So on CapCut, you can do the basic editing, but you won't be able to do the advanced level of editing. But when it comes to Adobe After Effects, here you can do advanced level of editing and some cool effects can also be added using Adobe After Effects, and this one is better. But when it comes to user friendliness and you are a complete new beginner in the world of video editing, then CapCut might come handy for you, as you would be able to find some templates, and already existing templates would help you enhance your video editing experience and you would be able to do it quite easily. But as for the After Effects, only the people who have the knowledge of After Effects and Adobe Workspace, then you would be able to do it. Otherwise, it might be a little tough for the beginners. And as for the rigidity and flexibility, you would be getting more flexibility on Adobe After Effects as compared to CapCut, as you can get more creative on Adobe After Effects as compared to CapCut. And when it comes to availability, the CapCut might not be available in all the countries out there, so you might require VPN in order to utilize it. But when it comes to Adobe After Effects, it is available in all the countries out there, so you can get it. But you will have to pay for it in order to work for a longer time. And as for the CapCut, you can start using it for just free and without paying any penny. So this was the short tutorial on Adobe versus CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.